Welcome back to the workshop and the DMR Jump Bike Build series. In this video we're going to be fitting the headset bearings, the fork and a freestyle top cap that enables you to have a front brake fitted and still do bar spins. The first thing you're going to do is fit the freestyle top cap. It has a hole down the middle for the front brake hose. This enables you to have a front brake fitted but still do bar spins. To fit this we're going to need to remove the old star nut. As you can see, it's in there. The reason for this is the new one has a larger diameter, which means we have to remove that one. So if you hit one side of the star nut, it will start to twist it. So once you've managed to twist the star nut sideways, use a long drift in the bottom of the fork to drive it out. To fit the new star nut, we can use a star nut setting tool. Place the setting tool over the top of the star nut. Tap it in. Okay, next we're going to fit the headset bearings. Going to put the cups in place. And then making sure that you keep it nice and square, so they press in nice and evenly. So then we're going to fit the crown race onto the fork. We've put the bottom headset bearing on the forks, slide the fork up to the frame, put the top bearing in, top crown race, then the cap, a couple of headset spacers, then the handlebar, and then screw on the top cap. Once the top cap and stem pinch bolts are tightened, that completes the installation of the headset bearings and front fork. If you found this video useful, remember to like and subscribe to see all future videos, and why not check out the rest of the DMR Build series.